How we doing, everybody? Alright, eBay package came in. Figured I'd do a live box opening here. You're gonna like this. If you like my other Robotech Defenders video, you're gonna like this one as well. I'm gonna open this one up here. Go. Blacked out the name of the address to protect the innocent. And boom, here we go. They're open, they're not sealed product. The boxes are open, but supposedly the sprues are all sealed up. So let's see what we got. Put this over here. Exacxies. That's a cool looking battle mech. That's not one that made it over to Battletech, but that's still kind of cool. Let's open it up and see what we got here. Photo of painted and assembled model kit. Okay. Heights 5.5 inches. Scales 148. Alright. I had somebody comment before that when it says 172, it's actually supposed to be 148. Yeah, I'm not too sure about that. I don't know. I'd really have to do some research. Instruction booklet in beautiful shape. Again, I love the instruction booklets. They're very detailed. Nice. Can you see that? Let me see. Pretty cool stuff, right? Let's see. How many steps is this? Oh, this is 39 steps. The Thorn was like, what, 29 or something? So there's 10 more steps to this guy. I don't know why, but... Oh, because you got to put the tips on the gun. That's what did it right there. Alright? It gives you decal placement, everything like that, too. No, the decals. The decal sheet is all cut up. Well, who the hell wants this without the decal? Well, okay, I can live without the decals on the thing. I can literally live without the decals on it. Screws are opened up and everything like that. So I'll check these for any missing pieces. This might be a return here. I'm not sure. But I didn't get it for this guy here. I got it for Condor anyway. This was just kind of an add-on. I can pick up another one of these if I have to. I don't care. Now for the big guy. Condar. Right? Did I say Condor before I said... Okay, his name's Condar. They never really did any Battletech stats for this one that I know of. I think they did at one point. They may have done one. It might have been called the Bushwhacker. And I think they put the missile launchers on the torso instead of the head. And I think that was like an auto cannon, like the Wolverine battle mech, the 55-ton battle mech or something like that. I'm not quite sure. But I've never seen stats for them. I've just heard of it. It wasn't in any technical readout or anything like that that I know of. Of course, I don't play any of the really new stuff. I like the old stuff so much better. The 3025 era of Battletech is one of my favorite eras of Battletech. Look at that. And again, the backgrounds on him is what makes it so impressive. You actually think he's in a desert because just the way they did the background was just incredible. Incredible, incredible. Good era for plastic models. Awesome. Instructions, 25 easy steps. Pretty cool stuff. Put them all together. They are articulated. You can move them somewhat, probably due to the age of the plastic. I won't be putting this together and moving it around. So yeah, the sprues all sealed up. Decals intact. Not like the other one, but I didn't get it for this one. I really got it for this one because I wanted this one here. You know, made in Japan. They made some really good stuff in the 80s. Really awesome looking stuff. The sprues themselves look fantastic. You have the pilots, and then I guess you have somebody standing beside the battle mech so you can actually see how big it is. Giggity. And wow, it says molded in color on the freaking box. It ain't molded in color. No way. But that's alright, because I'll paint it. This gives me a good place to primer it and everything like that. And I'll paint the crap out of this thing. I can't wait to get more of these things and put them together. Right? This is one of the best eras in modeling right here. And I'm planning next year. I'm planning on getting some of the ones that Robotech didn't put out. Like, for instance, the Warhammer names would be the Archer, the Rifleman, the Warhammer, and stuff like that. I really want to start doing this. That's a beautiful model. That is just beautiful. Oh man, it's just such a good era. 1984. I mean, 34 years ago, this was manufactured. I want to paint these. I'm going to paint them up. I'm going to do them justice. They're going so good by the time I'm done. I'm going to display the hell out of them. All right. Like, subscribe, comment. Tell me what you think about my videos. I'm going in all kinds of different directions with my channel. Just doing different things. Doing some gaming stuff. Still doing the computer programming, computer tip thing and stuff like that. Microsoft Office tips, things like that. But tell me what you think. We're going to be moving into other stuff in the new year. Be doing a video about that shortly as well. You know, this is just awesome. This is such a great thing to have in my collection. I'm going to put them together. I'm going to save the boxes. Yeah, this thing was $40, I guess. You got charged for it. I got it for this and this. I got for around $50. So that's not too bad. That's really not too bad. I'm sure I could find another decal sheet or something like that, maybe. And you know, it just depresses the hell out of me that that the decals are all messed up. Maybe the seller just didn't realize it or something. I don't know. But yeah, I wonder what they went on. Who knows? So, oh wait, there's some of the decals right there. Well, that doesn't make up for it, does it? Huh. Alright, well anyway, I didn't get it for this model. I got it for Condar, but I will definitely put this together. Maybe I can find a picture of a sheet online, print them out, and you know, they got decal paper, I think at Hobby Lobby or something like that, or I'll just order it offline because I really don't want to support Hobby Lobby that much. Anyway, so that is just nice. The directions are just beautiful. The packaging is just great. Look at the background of this. This is just freaking awesome background. I actually think it's a battle mech. It's just a full-fledged battle mech and everything like that. I'm fortunate enough to live in Florida, and I've been to MGM Studios at Disney. And one of the cool things about MGM Studios is the Star Wars ride. And it's not so much the Star Wars ride itself as it is waiting in line to get in the Star Wars ride. Let me explain what I mean by that. Is they have the line you wait in. It looks like the Ewok Village from Return of the Jedi. And they actually have a full-scale AT-AT walker. So you're just under this thing looking up and you're like, my god, that's how big a battle mech would be. That is just stinking awesome. You want to climb the thing and try to get into the cockpit and everything like that, but you know, you can't, of course, but you want to try. So two more Robotech Defender plastic models to add to my collection to assemble, paint, and display. This is great. Alright, thank you so much for watching my videos. My other Thorn video went really well. It's up to like 50-60 views. I didn't expect it to get up that much. I'm trying to get enough subscribers to where I can monetize my videos again, because YouTube kind of screwed people. So, you know, you have to have 1,000 subscribers to monetize your videos now, which I'm not sure why they did that. I'm sure there's some political reason or something like that, which, you know, but it is what it is. You know, so I need some subscribers. You like my video, subscribe, comment, let me know what I'm doing right, let me know what I'm doing wrong, and I'll keep doing things right, and I'll correct things doing wrong. Alright, have a nice night.